Hello everyone, today we're doing another stop motion tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cool glass breaking effect. You may have seen it in my last Deserter movie, Deserter 7, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So as you can see, this is where we're going to be doing all of our different tests today. I set up a few different demos, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a few different things. So, when you first start out the video, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to replace the single piece first with as many large clear pieces as you can, because we don't want to start with one piece getting turned into as many pieces as we can. We want to start start big and work our way down from there. So, as you watch the video, you can see how we start with bigger pieces like this, and how we start getting down to smaller pieces like this. And towards the end of the video, we're getting down to pieces like these. And at the very end, we're getting down to the 1x1 kind of pieces like the slow piece and this 1x1 piece. So this cool effect is really only achievable if you have the right pieces, but for the single glass shatter, it's not too hard. It just takes a lot of frames and a lot of focus. What you're going to need is a strong frame around the glass to kind of show how the glass is breaking down, and I like to have at least one piece hanging onto the top to kind of show a little bit of the glass that wasn't broken. So as you can see with the second glass window, I'm talking about the blue one, and I kind of try to do that one more in a line, which I think turned out really nice. You can do this any way you want. I kind of made stuff disappear faster because I don't have a ton of blue glass pieces, so I just kind of had to use what I had, but I think it turned out alright. Lastly, we have our standing panel right here. This is probably the most challenging part of this tutorial, just because we're going to have to show this piece breaking down and then falling down here, and I'm going to throw a clip up there from my Deserter movie that kind of shows that effect. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want this piece to travel all the way down to the bottom of this little thing right here. And how are you going to do a frame of this falling down since there's no way to connect it? So what I've been using a lot of is putty. And what makes this really effective is take a little bit of putty, and you have your piece. We're breaking down this last piece, and what's going to be happening is as the pieces are getting smaller and trickling down, I'm going to be using more and more putty for the different pieces going down. Hopefully it doesn't show up too much. I'm sure the putty will show a little bit, but for the most part you want to try to keep it hidden so it looks more realistic. And once it settles at the bottom, you can either leave the putty on or take it off. In this video today we learned about the glass breaking effect with a couple of different designs here. Hopefully this helped you for stop motion in the future. One thing we didn't really go over in this video is how the speed affects the glass breaking effect. I think the more pictures you have and the faster your frames per second are will make it look a lot better. I think at least 10 pictures is probably a good number if you're doing frames per second at about 8 to 12-ish. And if you're going any lower, you're probably going to want less pictures. If you're animating any higher, you probably want more pictures, so just kind of adjust accordingly to what you're using. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. I plan to do more effects like this in my movies coming up, so you can kind of see how I've been doing that. And if you have any more mock tutorial ideas, just let me know, and I'll see you guys later.